Welcome to today's English session, where we will enhance our listening and speaking skills while exploring intriguing vocabulary and expressions. Our focus for today revolves around my day. Let's dive into the details of Anna's daily routine. Hello, I'm Anna, and my day kicks off bright and early. As a morning person, I rise at 5:30 a.m., initiating my day with a moment of meditation to cultivate a calm mind. Following this, I head to the bathroom to freshen up, brushing my teeth and taking a refreshing shower. Once ready, I slip into my favorite comfortable attire before making my way to the dining room for breakfast. Upon reaching the dining room, I consistently find my mom busy preparing breakfast for the family. We gather for a wholesome breakfast, complete with fresh orange juice, my preferred morning beverage. Post breakfast, I review my timetable and prepare for school. Commuting via the metro, the bustling crowds mark the start of my school day. At school, I engage in various classes, including science, math, and of course, English, which happens to be my favorite subject. English allows me to delve into the past and comprehend the evolution of things over time. With 5 English periods per week, it remains a pivotal part of my academic journey. Lunchtime is a social affair, as I share a meal and laughter with friends at the school cafeteria. In the afternoon, I continue with my classes, and upon the conclusion of the school day, I head home. If teachers have assigned homework, I prioritize completing it upon arrival to ensure an early finish. Dinner is a family affair at 7 p.m., featuring delightful surprises from my mom, who often treats us to a dessert. My personal favorite is cheesecake. Post-dinner, I unwind by playing games or reading a book before preparing for bedtime. Around 9 p.m., I change into my pajamas, brush my teeth, and settle into bed, turning off the lights. Generally, I swiftly drift into a restful sleep, although on weekends I occasionally stay up late to indulge in my favorite movies.
Interesting vocabulary and expressions before we practice our speaking skills. Let's learn interesting English words from the story we've just covered to improve our English. The phrase a morning person means someone who finds it easy to wake up early and feels energetic in the morning. Example, I'm not a morning person, so I find it hard to get out of bed before 8 a.m. Phrase, initiating my day. Example in the modified passage, as a morning person, I rise at 5:30 a.m., initiating my day with a moment of meditation. Phrase, post-breakfast. Example in the modified passage, post-breakfast, I review my timetable and prepare for school. Phrase, bustling crowds. Example in the modified passage, commuting via the metro, the bustling crowds mark the start of my school day. Phrase, pivotal part. Example in the modified passage, with 5 English periods per week, it remains a pivotal part of my academic journey. Phrase, social affair. Example in the modified passage, lunchtime is a social affair, as I share a meal and laughter with friends at the school cafeteria. Phrase, delightful surprises. Example in the modified passage, dinner is a family affair at 7 p.m., featuring delightful surprises from my mom. Phrase, swiftly drift. Example in the modified passage, generally, I swiftly drift into a restful sleep. Phrase, personal favorite. Example in the modified passage, my personal favorite is cheesecake.